How to not give a fuck. Whenever something you want to do comes to mind, you always have this thought at the back of your head whether you should do it or not, because you care about what other people think of you. Like for example, you see a hot girl at a store and you want to go ask for her number, but this stupid voice in your head keeps saying, no, don't do it, you're gonna embarrass yourself. Well, whatever the thing is, I'm going to give you this simple training plan that will trick your mind into blocking out that little voice in your head that's saying no. Make sure to stick to the end of this video, since I'm giving away a book that costs $15 for free to every single one of you guys. This book could possibly help you not give a fuck about others anymore. Before I give you this simple mind training plan, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, because for some reason 70% of you guys aren't even subscribed to my channel when you're watching my videos. If you aren't subscribed, you'll miss out on a lot of free courses I'm teaching, announcements, free clothing giveaways, and my awesome videos. Now let's get straight into it, because you know at here Godly Energy, we don't waste time. If you want to do whatever you want without having that little voice in your head telling you no, you have to stop caring about what other people think of you. You have to realize that no one is that invested in your life to care about your actions. Don't get embarrassed for doing something that you want to do. Now, I know listening to me talk about how to not give a fuck won't help you stop caring about what other people think. So I have this little homework or training for you guys to do. The next time you're buying at a grocery store, go grab an item and ask for a 99% discount. You might be wondering, Godly Energy, what the hell would that do? Well, asking for a 99% discount at a grocery store that already has set prices is completely ridiculous, which is the exact reason I want you guys to do that. You're gonna get rejected no matter what. You have to get the feeling of being rejected in public after doing something so ridiculous like asking for a 99% discount. Okay, so this is how it's gonna play out. You go up to the cashier and ask for a 99% discount. She rejects you, no big deal. Yeah, the people behind you might judge you for a second, but they're going to forget it the next minute. Literally, no one cares. You have to realize that's not a big deal to be rejected in public, and that no one really cares. After realizing this rejection feeling, you start to become more confident in yourself and stop caring about what other people think and do what you want to do. It's about deliberately doing uncomfortable things and realizing that they aren't a huge deal, since no one really cares about your life. You have to keep doing weird things and realizing that it's not a huge deal. The more you get embarrassed in public and getting judged, the more you're gonna stop caring about what other people think. Now, I actually recommend this book called The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck by Mark Manson. Sorry if I pronounced his name wrong, I just really like his book. If you really need a free copy, I can actually buy you one. Just subscribe to my channel, like this video, follow on my Instagram, and message me on @TheRealGodlyEnergy on Instagram. I will buy you a copy of the book and send it to you. Just message me to get the book. This book will talk about what to give a fuck about and how to not give a fuck. It has a lot of knowledge that can actually help you, and I think it's really worth reading. This book could possibly even change your life. It talks about a lot of deep concepts about not giving a fuck, so go check it out. Anyways, this is Godly Energy. Make sure to subscribe, like, and message me on Instagram @TheRealGodlyEnergy if you want the book. And also make sure to follow me on Instagram because I'll be announcing a lot of things there. And I'll see you guys next time.